So how do I get a Siri to respond to my iPhone, right? How does Siri respond? Well, what you need to do is to make sure it is set up the proper way. Inside of your settings, just make sure you are on the main settings page, and below you can find either Siri or it might be called Apple Intelligence and Siri. So you can get inside like this and make sure that talking to Siri is enabled like that. So you enable Siri generally speaking, but now Siri will only respond to you when you hold down on the power button or side button. When you press it like this, the Siri gets activated. But if we want to make sure that it actually responds to our commands, like this one, the Hey Siri, you can also enable it at the top and go through the setup process. So it actually learns your voice. So you continue and say, Hey Siri, how's the weather? And you basically go through the phrases one by one. Hey Siri, send a message. Hey Siri, send a message. And you just have to go through it all to set it up that way. But once you go through all of that, then Siri will actually respond to your command, which when you say, Hey Siri, it's going to respond and you'll be able to talk to your assistant. So that's kind of how it works. Let me know if you manage to set it up on your device. Subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one for quick tips like this in the future, and I'll see you later.